Hi, my name is Marcin. Today we're going to talk about the most important movement pattern, which is breathing. Breathing can become faulty for many different reasons. One of these is a neurological problem, stress, pain, or simply sucking our stomach in for aesthetic purposes. Now, we don't want to be breathing with our shoulders or with our chest. We want to breathe with our diaphragm. And if we do this, we provide a stable base for all other movement. This is how you can practice this at home. I'll get you to lay down on your back, please, with your legs straight for now. Now you can do this on the bed or on the floor. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not overextending your neck. So keep your neck relatively straight. You're going to breathe through your nose, and you can do this with your knees bent like this, or have them propped up like this at 90 degrees on a chair or one of those exercise balls. Now, if we're breathing with our chest, we're going to see and we're going to feel our ribs flaring up. We don't want to be doing that. We want to breathe with our diaphragm. And when we do this, we're going to feel that the diaphragm is actually pulling our lower part of the chest down. So I'll get you to place your fingers on your sides and on the lower part of the abdomen. And when you breathe with your diaphragm, it comes down and increases the intra-abdominal pressure. And with each breath, you're going to feel that your abdomen expands evenly. So you should practice this daily for about 1 or 2 minutes. Once you have gotten this routine down, feel free to get in touch with us and we can share the other progressions with you to help you become stronger. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.